Right.
Bird.
I live in Oakwood.
Okay, so we
I moved to Arizona yesterday.
well, we're like out of it, but it's still
I'm gonna be
raining
like, we moved to
outside.
Tucson yesterday.
So hope you guys liked it. But
Fuck that, I'll go back to my hood.
There's a strike going on in the street.
Fuck
All I
that.
know is my state, that's like 3 times smaller than Arizona.
He's talking about mine was going.
bye, don't forget to like, subscribe, so you guys can get free iPhones.
We got
Bye.